everyone, and welcome to Book Days. The book of the day is Dragons Love Tacos by Adam Rubin, illustrated by Daniel Salmieri. Did you know that dragons love tacos? They love beef tacos and chicken tacos and tacos with all kinds of toppings. And they love taco parties! But where there are tacos, there's also salsa. And that's not so good for dragons. To read this entire story, find this book at your local bookstore or library today. And now we're off to Houston, Texas to discover how to make amazing tacos. I'm hungry already. Let's go. I am so excited to be here at Tacos A Go-Go downtown Houston, Texas, featuring the book Dragons Love Tacos. I'm joined today with Maribel Gomez, head chef here at Tacos A Go-Go, and we are so excited to share with you their world of tacos.
Of course.
This is going to be so fun, Maribel.
Yes, it's going to be much fun. Yes.
I love tacos, and
they
so
do
do they.
Yes.
So, let's teach them all about tacos.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's go.
Let's go. We're gonna toast it right here with a little flour. Okay, and this is how we put it right here. This is arrows is for each tortilla.
Oh,
Yeah,
interesting.
Yes. That's the best tortillas.
Can I try one?
Sure, you can
Let's
try
see.
one. Just roll it.
So roll it.
Just toast it a little.
Just a little.
And then just put it in the arrow right
and
there.
put it on the arrow.
Yes,
Okay, what
see?
happens next?
See? Okay. And now we're gonna watch them coming out. See? Can you see it right here? They're gonna cut this and it's gonna slide like a slider.
Ah!
See? And then you're gonna watch them here.
Wow. How long do they take to come out?
About 3 minutes.
3 minutes?
2 to 3 minutes, yeah.
Oh,
and they're ready to go.
You can make a lot of tortillas for hungry dragons? So
Yes, we can.
How many tortillas can you make, say, in an hour?
Ooh, I don't know, maybe 600? Maybe, yeah, maybe more.
600 tortillas in 1 hour.
Especially if you bring me a huge dragon. I have to make more than that, maybe.
Wow. And you
Yeah.
start with the dough here.
Yes, start it right here.
What is the dough made out of?
This is a flour, lard, and a little salt, and that's it. Yeah.
Flour and salt.
Yep.
And a little water.
And flour, yeah, and water. Yep,
Wow.
perfect.
3
Yes,
ingredients.
and it's pretty soft, see, you can see.
Wow.
And it's just an ounce and a half. It makes a, see?
Uh-huh.
Look at this. See?
See?
This is the best tortillas, see?
Wow.
Fluffy, and you open, look. Oh my God, now you gotta try it.
Okay, okay.
See? That's,
Oh.
see? You can stuff it right here with a little chicken, beef. For the dragons, they will love it.
Ooh, they're
That's
hot.
for sure.
They're hot.
They're good. Yeah.
So good. What makes
Yeah.
them puff like that?
The mix, the flour. If you mix the flour very well,
Uh-huh.
that's the secret.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then the machine makes them very thin, very thin. So it's too thick that you don't get this texture. Yes, it needs to be really thin. See?
Wow.
Yes. All you need
So
is
delicious.
yes.
Fantastic.
Dragons will love you forever. You bring them here. Okay, now you ready to make a taco?
I am.
Okay, let's go.
So Maribel, what starts a good taco? Does it start with the
Start with a good tortilla.
Tortilla.
This is your secret right here. You have good tortilla and good salsa, but I think dragons don't love salsa. Huh? It's
But
not
we
that they
do.
like it. It's because their tummy. They get upset. But yeah, to start to make a good taco is to have a good tortilla. Good
tortilla.
then good stuff. Let's see what we can put inside. Let's find
Sounds
out what
good.
we have in this kitchen.
Let's build our taco.
See? We
All
have
right.
here.
Ooh, look at all this good stuff.
Look at her, she stole my tortilla. We have here, this is pastor. This is a pork. Okay, we have a barbacoa. This is a lamb barbacoa. That's my favorite one. I love this. And this is a pollo guisado. It's a shredded chicken breast. We have on red and green. And we have here some picadillo.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's a ground beef with different vegetables. I bet they're gonna love this one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, and we have refried beans.
Ooh, yes, the refried beans. Yes.
Black beans.
Black beans.
Everything for them. And rice.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
You love the rice.
Yep. Yeah, right here. They're making.
Right.
This is the chicken fajita that we have.
Ooh.
Yep.
That looks incredible.
Yeah, he's making a quesadilla.
Look at that massive tortilla.
Yeah. That's a 12 inches tortilla.
I'm so sorry.
I think that's a good size for the dragons, don't you think?
Yes, I think the dragons would like those massive tortillas.
And a lot of chicken fajita on it.
Absolutely. They love cheese as well.
Yes, they do. They do. Yep.
Amazing. Oh, yes. I'm so hungry. Just
So we
looking at
have here a
all
lot
of
of
this.
chicken fajita for them. We have
Oh,
some
I love
beef.
this.
Beef fajita, chicken.
Yes.
Yep.
Beef and the chicken.
Beef and the chicken. The best.
Right here.
Yep.
Wow. Now that is a dragon-sized
Look at
taco.
This is a dragon side quesadilla and tacos. We can make burritos. All the good stuff inside.
All the good stuff you can do with the tortilla.
Yes.
Quesadillas.
Tacos,
And
burritos.
tacos.
Yep. All the good stuff.
Delicious.
Yeah, very good.
How many tacos do you think a dragon could eat?
I will say maybe about 500.
500? 500 per dragon. I think that sounds about accurate.
Yeah, because how many pounds? It's like how many pounds do they weigh? The big
Maybe
baby?
5,000?
5,000, yeah. Maybe a taco per 1,000.
Yes. And so, Maribel, these over here, these are corn tortillas.
Yes, those are homemade tortillas.
So-
Those are corn tortillas, and they're pretty good size.
There are two different types. There's flour and there's corn.
And the corn, correct. I think the meat is ready. So here we have all
What's
the
our next
vegetables
step?
right here.
All right, so let's talk about the
Lettuce,
bases.
Cheese.
Yes.
See, we have I don't think so they like salsa. This is salsa verde, but they're not gonna like it, right? And then we have sour cream, we have mushrooms, spinach, and guacamole. What do you think about guacamole?
Oh, yeah, I think they like
They're gonna
guacamole.
like guacamole.
It's not spicy.
It's not spicy.
It's not
at all.
spicy.
Yes, we have pico de gallo, cilantro,
Ooh.
onions. Do you want to build the taco? There is a tortillas over there.
Oh, perfect. Okay, so this is, start with the
Okay.
tortilla. All right, so we put it right here.
Right there.
Okay.
And then you put
And the
the
meat.
and then you can put anything you like.
Wow.
What do you think?
I think this is pretty good. Walk us through what you would do.
Okay, I'm gonna put first. I'm gonna put a little cheese.
Okay.
So we'll stick to the flour and put a
Stick to the
little
book.
lettuce. Lettuce. They have to eat their greens.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
A little tomatoes, pico de gallo.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
What do you think?
maybe guacamole.
Sure.
Guacamole.
Right
Okay.
on top. Yep.
Just perfect.
This is your dragon taco.
Yeah, enjoy.
Now, all of these recipes, Mary Bell helped create all the recipes here at Tacos A Go Go. Can you believe that? She is like Tacos A Go Go, like in the flesh.
Thank
So
you.
if you come here and you are eating Mary Bell's creations. Isn't that
Thank
amazing?
you. You're more than welcome. Thank you very much.
And now you not only make for Tacos A Go Go, you make dragon tacos too.
Right, that's the best part. That's the fun part.
I think we should add that to the menu.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe next Tacos A Go, we're gonna open a Dragon's Tacos A Go, and everybody.
I think you
Yeah,
should.
we should.
It's gonna
Make
trend.
1,000 and 1,000 tacos every day.
You hear that? You're gonna make 1,000 tacos every day. So bring your dragons.
Yes, please.
Okay,
Now-
so just one big bite?
One big bite.
Let's do it.
Ah, so good, huh?
So amazing.
the fresh tortilla, the savory meat, and then you have the crunch of the lettuce.
So the guacamole, fresh, made up fresh guacamole every day.
You make it fresh every day?
Every day. Yeah. You should try the salsas.
Let's do it.
Some salsas?
The dragons don't love salsa, but I sure do.
May I have some salsas,
Let's do it.
please?
They have 4
Let's get
different
some
types of
salsa,
salsa here.
a little of everything.
And the salsas range from green to red salsa. So we're gonna try some, even though dragons don't like it. I bet a lot of you probably would. So let's try some here.
Ones are mild, they're not spicy. Maybe they can handle these ones. But these two, they're very spicy. These two, this is the Fuego Smoky, and this is the Diablo. Because double Diablo. Because that means
Diablo.
spicy. Yeah, so you don't
Ah.
want to give them to them because
No.
you're gonna get a problem.
Okay.
Then we have a mild roja and verde.
And verde.
You should try that taco. It goes better with the green one.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
So you
let's
try
see.
it.
Okay, so we pour it over the taco,
Yes,
right? That's
like-
the best way to eat it. Okay.
Yeah, all the way.
All the way.
I'll
All
see.
the way. We're going.
Yeah.
Okay. All
And
right.
now you tell me.
Okay. It's so tangy. It's like the perfect complement to this taco. That is incredible.
Yep.
And they're made off of tomatillos. Is that correct?
This has
Like a
tomatillos,
green tomato.
serranos, garlic,
Serrano.
garlic. That's the secret. And salt.
And salt.
That's it. That's all you need.
No,
Yeah.
yeah, I don't think the dragons would like this one.
Spicy.
Spicy.
Yes.
Make their nostrils puff out smoke. Let's try some of the other ones.
Let's try this
see.
one. This
Okay.
is smoky.
Okay, smoky.
The smoky spicy.
Now, what makes it smoky?
The peppers. We use the morita peppers and the smoky. We put it on the grill. So they get all this smell smoky. Yep. Smoky smell.
It is. I can taste that
You
heat
taste
from
the heat?
from the stove.
Yes.
Oh my word! Well, this is totally
Is it spicy?
messy. It's messy. I love spicy. You can feel the heat too, like right on your tongue.
Correct.
It's just like,
Ooh, like a dragon.
yeah. If I was dragon, it'd be coming out my nose. I like it. Yeah, it lingers too. So those are the 2 salsas mixed. What
Yes.
else are we gonna try?
We're gonna try a chicken fajita taco.
Ooh, okay.
Let's try that with corn tortilla.
Yes. Okay. So for this
Okay.
taco, we're gonna start with corn.
And corn, okay? Gonna make that. Okay, we can boil this different. Let's put the
Okay.
lettuce first.
Okay.
Okay, the lettuce first, and then we're gonna put the guacamole.
Ooh. Oh, okay. I'm gonna put it in the bottom this
The
time.
bottom this time. So you
Bottom.
tell me which way you like better.
Okay.
And we're gonna get the chicken fajita
Chicken fajita. Here we
all the
go.
way. See?
Okay.
And we put the cheese.
Yes. Yeah, dragons love their cheese.
Yes, they do. I know they do. Like, who doesn't love cheese? I think all the animals like cheese. Okay, let's see some pico de gallo. And I think
What
that
else do
will
you
be
think?
all. You like cilantro, maybe?
Oh, I love
You see?
cilantro.
Okay,
Yes.
let's put some cilantro in. Okay, all your greens. There we go. Now you're gonna taste that one with this, with the
Okay.
Diablo.
Ooh, and what do they call it, Diablo?
Because it's too spicy. Then make
Too
your
spicy.
face all red after you.
Oh no, you're making me nervous.
That's why we call it Diablo.
Diablo. Okay, are you ready for Diablo? All right.
Maybe Diabla.
Diabla. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now let's put it all the way.
Okay.
Boom, 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 boom. So each bite, you can taste it.
Have
Okay.
some spice.
Here we go.
Woo.
Look at it. That's a giant taco.
right.
1, 2, 3, and
And this is with the
you
Diablo.
need a dragon mouth to give a bite.
I do need a dragon now. It's like
So you can give a huge bite.
I need to unhinge my jaw. Okay. Oh.
Delicious. Deliciosa.
Oh. I lost a piece of chicken. Oh. They're messy, but amazing. That is Diablo. Absolutely.
Wait a couple minutes. You will see your face all red.
I need to time box it. but the flavor is impeccable. The savory of the chicken, all the spices, and the chicken complementing this tortilla, the corn tortilla, and the crispness of the lettuce.
Yep, so yummy.
And then you add the Diablo on top. Oh,
The best. Thank you.
I'm glad I'm not a dragon because I love spice.
That's right.
So
you
yummy.
Try the lamb barbacoa and all this
yes.
for you. Okay. That's a shredded lamb barbacoa.
So this one, which sauce does this have?
That's the fuego. We call fuego. Oh, like a fire. Fuego.
Is this one
The
hotter
smoky.
than the other one?
Maybe
Where is
almost
it?
the same. It's just different taste, but almost the same spices.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Same spicy. We have the cheese.
Have a little queso fresco.
Oh, queso fresco.
Yeah.
What's the difference between queso fresco and other cheeses?
The queso fresco is mostly like a soft cheese.
Soft cheese.
Yes. The other one is more for like a quesadillas, melting cheese.
Okay.
Yeah. So we eat a lot of queso fresco in Mexico.
In Mexico.
Yeah. We don't have that much like a mozzarella or mozzarella, not a lot, but queso fresco that's very popular.
Ooh,
Yes.
okay. I'm excited. Queso fresco, and what did you say the sauce
Or,
was?
fuego.
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 Fire.
Oh, fuego fire.
Uh-huh.
Okay, here we go. Now,
It's tender, juicy.
it is so tender, and the salsa is different than the other ones.
Yes, correct. All the salsas are different. They have different tastes, different peppers. You know, for this one we use a dry morita pepper. It's a tiny black pepper, yes. Yeah. And
That
we
is
toast it
so
on the
tasty.
grill, yeah.
Wow.
And garlic, onions, cilantro, and that's it.
And it's cooked. This one is cooked.
Yes, all is cooked.
All
The
of them
tomatoes
are
we
cooked.
roasted on the oven.
Ooh, roasted
Yep. I know,
tomatoes.
roasted tomatoes, roasted garlic, chile morita.
Wow. So a good salsa is all about really how you cook it.
Correct.
Wow.
And you don't need any spices for the salsas, believe me. It's just your peppers, your tomatoes, and salt. Little cilantro and onions on top, and
Ooh.
perfect.
Chips
Yep.
and salsa is the best
The best.
snack.
Yes, correct.
And I'm sure dragons love it, although they just love all their tacos
Maybe
so
they're
much.
gonna love chips and queso.
Chips and queso.
Yes, because salsa.
Uh,
But chips and queso for sure.
We don't-
have the white queso and the yellow queso. Yep.
Interesting. And those are made out of two different cheeses.
Yes, correct.
Which one would you think the dragons will love the most?
I think they will love the white.
The white?
Queso. Yeah, the white.
Is it
It's
not
more
as spicy?
creamy, it's
Ooh,
not, correct.
more
It's not as
creamy?
spicy. It's more creamy and just yes. Yes, for sure they will love that one.
And Maribel, where did you learn how to make tacos?
In my old town, since I was very, very young. Yeah, since I was like a 6, 7 years old.
Wow.
Yeah, my dad used to teach me how to cook. We gotta cook. Yeah, so he teach me how to make tortillas. But back there, you had to, cook
Do the old-fashioned way.
all the old ways. Yes.
Wow.
Yes. So that's he started. He showed me how to cook.
Amazing.
Yeah. And then I came here when I was 18. So then I love restaurant business. I love to cook.
I hope that you've had an amazing adventure here at Tacos A Go-Go, exploring all the tacos that the dragons love. Maribel, thank you so much.
My pleasure. Anytime. And next time, bring one dragon so he can taste it.
I sure will. We have had such a great time here trying out all your amazing recipes and learning about what makes a great taco.
The tortilla first. Yes.
Remember, it's all about the tortilla.
Correct.
And make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming adventures, and we'll see you soon. Bye!
Want more book days? Well, the adventure has only begun. Check out these episodes and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming adventures.